So just cutting to the chase, if you want to see how I achieved this very dark, party, glamorous, glittery, sparkly look, then just keep watching, and I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you liked it, and if you thought this was helpful for you for something like as a weekend look, party look, birthday look, whatever. And share it if you think this was helpful, very useful video. So I hope you like it, and keep watching. Come and join me. All right, I'll see you guys right now. Hi everyone, so let's get started. So I'm starting off with the Eucerin Daily Protection Face Lotion. It has SPF 30. It's good for moisturizing your skin and underneath your makeup. Next, I am applying the Burt's Bees eye cream underneath my eyes for those haggy bags. With your ring finger, just gently dab all over your eyes. Next, I will apply a little bit of the LA Girl primer just around my frown lines. I actually changed my mind. I'm only applying one of those foundations, not two, just the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation, which I love, and a couple of puffs. This foundation claims to be full coverage. I think it's a medium to full. It's definitely buildable to full because I have like marks on my cheeks, and I don't think like one coat really does the job. So I go like with 2 coats, 3 coats sometimes, but it's definitely buildable. Following that after, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in color yellow. On a normal day, I like to take my ring finger, but clearly this video I'm using my middle finger, but ring finger is gentler to dab over and spread it around, and then go back with a beauty blender or a kabuki brush as seen here. Then just going ahead and blending out the foundation with soft motions. Looks like I'm doing it hard. Yes, I need to do more softer. So quickly, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and then there they are. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the Master Contour Stick by Maybelline. It comes with a concealer and contour, both in one stick. So I'm going to use the contour stick. It's a cream contour. I like this one. It's really blendable. It blends really nice. That's why I really like it. Then using the same stick, I just turn it around and use the concealer part to highlight the peaks of my face. Then after that, I will switch the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer for under my eyes for those handbags. So next I'm grabbing a slightly angled face brush, to go ahead and blend out my contour on my face, just ever so gently and ever so softly. So after I use my cream contour, I like to usually go over with a powder contour. And then in this one, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This contour has no shimmer in it, it's just matte. And then contour your nose with the cream contour. Then go ahead and blend it out with a smaller brush. Did I say contour? I meant bronzer. So then I'm going to add some baking into my life, and I am going to stamp some powder, translucent powder on the side of my eyelids. So when I go and blend eyeshadow, it's going to be a very strong line right there, and I really like that. Then I am using the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in color Topaz Twinkle. And I am just dabbing some eyeshadow in the color Burnt Orange. Any brown color will do. Then a black shimmer eyeshadow is next. And I am looking at something. I don't know what I'm looking at. Then I'm gonna use a very dense brush to softly apply it to the crease of my lid. And gently, so I don't make a mess with black. Then just going back with a fluffy brush and sort of like blending that out with some round motions in and out and backward motions, forward and backward motions. So I'm going to use the chrome side of the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the inner corner of the lid, the inner half of the lid, just like that. Other side, just like that. Then with the dense brush, I am using looks like a black color. I don't remember. This was an old video, but yes, black color. Then I am, with a blending brush, I am marrying the two colors together so they are seamlessly blended in together. And then the foil by NYX and the color, in the color Hunty, so it's a very green color. It's a loose powder. I'm gonna apply it to the inner corner lid, then use the glitter side of the eye art. Just apply it over the chrome color. Just like that. Then going ahead and fanning it a little bit so it can dry. Then adding some black eyeliner to the waterline so there are no white spaces. Then just going ahead and add some blush into those cheeks so it looks like I have some color on my face instead of just walking around and looking like a dead zombie with makeup. Color is a good thing. Then just to highlight the upper brow bone with a nice fluffy brush, and I love a good highlighted brow bone and love a good highlighted inner corner eye. I think it just pops out the color of the eyes. No matter what color eyes you guys have, inner corner highlight is a must, I believe. Then go ahead and apply a thick coat of mascara, which is my favorite part. The Maybelline Lash Stiletto is my favorite, and Black is Black. If you hear my daughter laughing in the background, I apologize. Then going ahead and use the Wet n Wild highlight. That was actually a limited edition highlight. It was the Mega Glow highlighting powder in the Sweetest Bling. Then Sephora lip butter for some luscious, juicy, very well nourished lips. And then the Super Stay lip, I forgot what it was called. Well, you see, Maybelline Super Stay lip something. Jesus. So I will list it down below. Cannot find it right now. And yeah, I mean, it's very dark color. It's a very beautiful color. I love it. And I apologize for the background noise. Matte ink. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in color Voyager. Voyager. There you go, everybody. So gonna go ahead and set it with some setting spray by Maybelline. Don't recommend that one, but yeah. And dab it over with a beauty sponge. Any beauty sponge will do. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.